I found myself in the deep of despair and confusion. What I thought was up now seems down. I didn't know whether to swim or to sink. I tried to make sense of it all as the darkness and the confusion dragged me down. I felt that I was losing my grip on reality as doubt set in. What is the truth? I was desperate to know. And honestly, I had nowhere to go. Then you came. The light of your presence gave me direction, clarity. Suddenly I knew where to go and what to do. Your hand reaching out to me brought me hope. You were not afraid of my fear, not afraid to touch me. And the warmth of your smile encouraged me. I knew I could do this. I can trust you with my pain, with my despair, my anger, and my bleeding heart that I'm so desperately trying to protect. But it was leaking and I was sinking. Come, you say, come to me. I am your safe place. And then I realized the line of red blood staining the water is not from my bleeding heart, but from your hand and the wounds that you bore for me. You overcame, so I can be free. You are the solution to my problems and the light to my darkness. And what the enemy intended for evil, you will turn for my good. And it will become my testimony. And just like Joseph's story, many will find hope and be saved as they see your loving hand reaching into their pain and drawing them into your love.